say the best upgrade that I've recently done, and even across all the upgrades that I've done, the biggest one is going from the old CCC navigation that's on the pre-LCI, so 2006 to 2008 BMW 3 Series, and I upgraded it to the CIC. Now, a lot of people want to talk as far as, why didn't you go with the Android unit? Why did you do this? Why did you do that? So reason being is that there are lots of problems with those Android units. When you stick something other than not BMW as far as a nav unit goes, it doesn't always perform. They tend to get slower as you have them as far as the Android ones. And I wanted a BMW OEM install, of course, and a BMW navigation unit. Now, I still have Bluetooth audio because of what I've done as far as, with USB and aux. So check out that video that I did there. So I still retain that. I can later add ComBox onto it just based off all the coding that Nick did. So I got my kit through NickCo43, which he's very popular on E90 Post. I'll plug his information down in the description box below. But Nick made it that much easier for me to go to ComBox to get even more features like the BMW apps and all that kind of stuff. But I have DVD in motion coded in, so I can watch DVDs, while still driving the car. So I have that. And then, of course, once I add some of the other stuff on there, then I'll be all set and ready to go. But doing that upgrade is a very, very popular upgrade as far as going to this CIC. And there's not very many kits out there that make a really clean install. So if you have not checked out me doing that full retrofit install, check out my DIY at the top. You'll definitely enjoy it, I'm telling you. I enjoyed doing that DIY for you guys, mostly because there's not a step-by-step one out there for the CIC, and I'm happy that I was able to get that going and to do that. So having the navigation in my car is truly amazing. I love it. Nick added on the 2019 maps, so I have the most updated maps because unfortunately with CCC they stopped supporting map updates in 2015, so you're gonna have some old stuff out there if you have a older 3 Series BMW and you don't upgrade. But the screen resolution's great. The ability to have the full entire map across the whole screen versus before, I like that a lot. And just more so a plug and play navigation upgrade made it worth all the while. Well, guys, check out those DIY videos. Like I said, I'm happy to have it in my car. It's definitely been great. It's so much better. It's like, when you add something to your BMW, you just want to drive it that much more, and I can't get enough of it, let me tell you, as far as that. And it really changes the interior. It just upgrades it, it updates it, a lot more than what it used to be, and I'm happy for that. Well, hopefully everyone has a great weekend. Big thumbs up on this video. Subscribe if you haven't already to the channel. Check out the other DIYs and other great videos for you guys on this platform. Thanks. Hope you have a great day.